How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. Today, I'm going to be taking a closer look at SVE's 2001 to 2004 style headlight kit for the new Edge Mustangs. As most of you enthusiasts know by now, Mustang headlights are typically one of the first exterior components to show signs of age as the cars become older. Those signs include faded lenses from oxidation, leaks from deteriorated seals, or possibly a damaged assembly altogether. Not to mention someone else's poor attempt at tinting the headlights, as you can see here on our white 03 GT. Replacing and or upgrading a set of lights in your new Edge Mustang is extremely easy thanks to this kit from industry leader SVE. Now, this particular headlight kit from SVE is going to mimic the headlight design that came factory on the 2001 to 2004 Mustangs. It's an all-in-one design, meaning that there is one assembly for both the headlight and the side marker. It features black inner housings and a clear lens versus the 1999 and 2000 style headlight that featured an all-chrome inner housing. Taking a closer look at each assembly, they incorporate all of the factory features. This includes the top seal to ensure a nice tight fitment against the fender, headlight bulb adjustment screw, alignment dowels for the header panel, and of course the amber reflectors for the side markers. This kit is going to be DOT compliant, so you shouldn't have any issues when you go and get your car inspected. And of course, they're backed by a pretty darn good warranty as well. For more information on that warranty, be sure and check out the product page. In the box will be a driver's side and passenger side headlight assembly, and this kit is designed to fit all 1999 to 2004 Mustangs. Now, when replacing your headlights, it's also a good thing to consider other components that may potentially show signs of wear, that are missing and are broken, or have the potential to be upgraded if you so choose. These include headlight and side marker pigtails, sockets, the metal headlight retainers, and of course a new set of bulbs, whether they be the factory halogen bulbs or an upgraded bulb, such as an ultra-white, LED, or HID option. Installing a new set of headlights into your new Edge Mustang is pretty easy. To start, you'll first pop the hood and support it via the prop rod. Once that's done, you can go ahead and disconnect the negative battery cable. I always like to apply some low-tack painter's tape to the bumper where the headlight could potentially make contact. This will help prevent scratching and paint marring. Pull up to remove the two metal headlight retainers. Bring the light forward and disconnect the headlight bulb connection. Disconnect the side marker bulb, and then the headlight is free to come out. With the headlight out of the way, use this opportunity to thoroughly clean the area. To prep the new headlight, remove the headlight bulb retainer, followed by the protective tape. Remove the caps from the alignment dowels, and then the protective tape from the side marker location. On the old headlight, remove the bulb retainer and the bulb. Rotate the side marker socket counterclockwise to remove it from the headlight. Position the bulb into the new headlight and then secure it with the new retainer. Position the side marker into the light and rotate clockwise to lock it into place. Before installing the new headlight, verify that the plastic clips for the alignment studs are installed into the header panel. Place the headlight into position and plug in the electrical connections. Now you can fully seat the new headlight into place and then reinstall the two retainers. Repeat these same steps for the other side. Now you can remove the tape from the bumper, reconnect the negative battery cable, and then go ahead and test for operation. All that is left is to ensure the headlight beam is properly aligned. Aiming the headlights is very easy to do, and in order to do this, be sure and reference our video in the description. Once you get that done, you're good to go. Wrapping things up here, fellas, this headlight kit from SVE is a great option to replace a set of crappy lights and improve the overall look of your new Edge Mustang. Not only does a new set of headlights help with overall vehicle aesthetics, it will also increase nighttime visibility and safety. Now, for more information on any of the products that you saw in the video, be sure and check out LMR.com for the most up-to-date availability and pricing. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and for all things 1979 to present Mustang, of course SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.